Oh, welcome, totally random. So I have the Lane 60mm Q block here. Security, made in China. Apparently offers high security, lol. So I've seen this picked before. A working key, it's a 4-pin padlock. The ball bearing hiding in there. Get a shot of that. It's there. So supposed to be rust resistant. There's no signs of corrosion on there. 4-pin, so have opened this once previously, and we'll see how I go. Well, there you go, it's open. So I didn't make any modification to this. It did appear pretty easy to open when I watched Noctis Motus pick it. See if we can do that again. All I did was stick an 18th third gem in upside down. So that's lame these days for you. As opposed to, oh look, I'll kill two birds with one stone right now. So that's lane now. This is lane from a long time ago, which people have seen me open before. Actually, I used a key, so it's locked at the moment. Let's put tension on the bolt. Obviously, this is a lot more difficult to see. Well, you can't see it when you're trying to impression a key or pick a lock. And what we've got is metal in the way, which is the tensioner. Now, it's at a point, I hope some of that was in shot, because I can't fit this in a vise. So now it's locked. So to open it, we'll just do the reverse. I'll get this in shot. So up in here, there's a little notch, so you can usually feel around. So now I know I've got tension. I can simply come in here, and this is the tricky part. Obviously this would be in a door usually. Too much tension on the bolt is not useful. And any tension up in either side of my thumb there will cause me grief as well. I need to get that tool in there around that. So too deep, so that's just a cut on your key. That's too long. You're just going to put pressure on there like that. So I'm going to have to come back out, come in from the other side, try and throw the levers that way. I'm desperately trying to get this in shot. I'd say my tension is causing the levers not to move. So I'll cheat, I'll do it the other way, which is that way. Which I should have done in the first place, but nonetheless, that's open too. Considerably more time messing around with that, which I can see which makes it a hell of a lot easier than if it was in a door. However, we all know that the old keys, you can virtually stick anything in these and they'll open them. That may have been the case then, but I could barely reach these then. Anyway, that was the lone 60mm picked. And yeah, as you can see in Noctis Motus's video, these will fall to virtually anything, including one more time for silliness, sticking an 18th hour gem in upside down. So yeah, thank you for watching. That was the lone 60mm cube padlock. Totally random. Keep it legal. I'm out of here. Cheers.